Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. So in this video we are going to discuss the tutorial question, which is question number 8. So propose all plausible structure for compound below, determine the formal charge and choose the most plausible structure. So the key word is all possible, meaning that when you propose the structure, you must propose minimum 2 structure. It can be 2 or more. If you only propose one structure, it is wrong, right? Because this question asks you to propose all possible. Alright. So first, let's look at this first compound, which is carbon sulfate, CS2. Carbon consists of 4 electron, 2 sulfur, 6 times 2 become 12 electron. How I get 12? Because sulfur is 6 times 2, 16 electron. So carbon and sulfur, carbon will become the central atom and 2 sulfur will become the terminal atom. Alright, so we already use 4 electron and we have another 12 electron extra. So we locate the electron around the terminal atom first. So 12. So all the electron is already used. The problem now is our central atom is not octet. How to make it octet? Alright. So we have a few possible way to make it octet. The first one, maybe this oxygen donate to the central atom and another oxygen donate to the central atom. Or okay, I will draw the first one. C double bond with S, 2 dah turun, tinggal 1 sahaja, S. Okay, dah octet belum? Oh, dia triple bond Okay. The second one adalah maybe C, 2 ni pergi, 2 ni pun derma. Kalau saya buat triple kat sini, dia sama Kalau saya buat triple kat sini, dia sama, tak payahlah. Right, so dia ada 2 possibility lah yang saya nampak. Ada lagi tak yang lain? Saya rasa ada 2 sahaja. Okay, so maybe we can label this is structure 1, and this is structure 2. How to determine the most plausible? Saya padam lah ni. Ini dah settle kan? Okay. So the most plausible is based on the formal charge. Alright. So we need to calculate the formal charge. Let's say for structure 1. Okay, saya lukis formal charge for carbon. So we have 2 identical sulfur. Not identical. So we label as this is sulfur number 1, this is sulfur number 2. So I calculate for carbon first. The valence electron is 4 minus, there is no any lone pair around carbon, which is 0, minus half from the bonding pair. 1, 2, 3, 4 become 8. It is 0. So then the formal charge for sulfur number 1, okay, sulfur 6 minus, there are 6 electron lone pair around sulfur number 1, minus half times 2. So kenapa 2? Sebab ni Okay, 6 tolak 6, kosong, tolak 1, negative 1. Okay, what about formal charge for the second sulfur? Saya guna pen lain sikit lah. Sulfur number 2, Okay. 6 minus, tak nampak pula. Okay, 6 minus berapa tu? Sulfur number 2. Oh, ni bawah. Okay, 6 minus 2. Okay, minus half of 6 electron. 6 tolak 2, 4. 4 tolak 3, positif 1. So that we can put the value. This is formal charge 0. The formal charge is negative 1. The formal charge is positive 1. So if you can see, the total charge is 0, but each atom have their own formal charge. That's why the total is become 0, sebab negative 1 tambah positive 1 sama dengan 0. So now let's look at the second compound, which is structure number 2 that we propose. Kita nak kira. We have 2 identical sulfur, so kita anggap satu je lah. Formal charge carbon 4 minus 0, because there is no lone pair around carbon, minus half of 8, become 0. And then formal charge for sulfur 6 minus, how many lone pair around sulfur? 4 minus half of 4 electron, and it becomes 0. So we put the, since we have identical sulfur, kita kira satu je lah. Kosong, kosong. So which one is more plausible? We can say that structure 2 is more plausible because structure 2 or structure B, it depends on your level. Is 0, not closest to 0, memang dia kosong kan. Alright, so this is how we determine the most plausible structure. Kita lukis, kita kira formal charge, and then we decide. Right, so in the next video kita akan bincang soalan yang kedua. Alright, thank you.